Walk in your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's cold. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Welcome guys. Today the vlog is about how I cook Onugbu, and I made other things but I didn't show it. So guys, sit back and watch my vlog. On this vlog I cook and I tell you guys a variety of things. Bye guys. So guys, I just came back from work and I've been saying let me finish the other vlog in order to start this one, but I not finished the other one and I'm starting this one. So I have Nigerian food. If you don't know, Uye Odogu. If you don't know now. So I decided that let me cook Onugbu soup, correct Onugbu. So I bought the ingredients in order to carry out this magic that is about to happen tomorrow, not today. And I'm also doing moi moi, and I'm also doing jollof rice. You know, the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. So you fill up his stomach and his heart will be full. So first thing I got was goat meat. Hey, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's the first thing. Goat meat. Then this one, sweet meat dye, shaki. And let's leave this one. Then I was thinking, should I get the real cocoyam? But I was like, I want to be cooking Onugbu always. Like, it's better to buy flour. So I bought cocoyam flour because I watched a YouTube video that said it's the same thing. Then I bought fresh pepper. Do you know when last I chopped food with fresh pepper? Like, look at it. It's still very new. It's sweet meat dye. Then this one, when you give your man correct Onugbu, you have to add it with correct poundo or swallow. This is the beans. I'm going to soak this night for the morning. Then this is palm oil. Correct from palm oil, unrefined from Guinea. This is palm oil. I bought 2 bottles because I use palm oil a lot. And this is the bitter leaf that I'll wash, and it's already defrosted. Then I got crayfish. This is how it comes. Small crayfish. This is why I'm begging my mom to send me Nigerian food stuff, because look at this small crayfish. If I tell you the price, you cry for me. Then correct oporoko. You know what oporoko is? It's called dry catfish fillet. And then I got no cubes. Before I used to get star, but you can test the difference of star in soups. I think no, it's better for soup, so I stopped no. So tomorrow the cooking will begin. So for the J rice and for the moi moi, I got water for drinking. Then for the moi moi, I didn't find mackerel fish that I wanted to get, so I got the mackerel, the canned mackerel. This will work too, I don't mind. Then I got bell pepper that I'll use to blend for the moi moi. Then I got these 2 nylons. Let me open it because I hope it's the correct nylon I need to use to package my moi moi. Okay, so now Bodo Ibo nylon, it will work, but it's just that it's like this. It's like this. But it will work. It will still hold the moi moi inside. But just in case that didn't work, I got something else. Then I got egg, because moi moi without egg is not moi moi. It's something else. It's okpa for me. Igbo people don't come for me. It's not the same thing they use for okpa, right? It's not the same thing. Then I bought bell pepper. This one is for the J rice. Jollof rice I'm going to cook. Hey, I'm putting my heart and my soul into that jollof rice, because my jollof rice is always sweet. Then I bought tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, to blend for the jollof rice. I bought tomato paste, but this is small one. When I initially wanted to buy tomato paste for monthly shopping, I don't see. So this is the foil pepper I bought. So that I also do the other moi moi foil pepper. This is like 4, but I'll use only 2. Then finally, I bought myself nail polish because I've been living in this country like a man with manly legs. So I want to polish my nails. All these things I've showed you guys is for tomorrow. As for this night, a girl is eating Indomie. I'm eating Indomie and I'll go to bed. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys. So I painted my nails last night. And today I'm about to start the process of cooking Anambra Onugbu soup. But I missed one essential ingredient. I know you guys will come for me, which is ogiri, right? But I'll make it work. It's my first time. I will get better with time. So let me show you guys the ingredients and what we're working with, okay? I had already boiled my shaki last night so that it will be soft. Because for some reason, shaki that come to Europe, it is strong like my eye. So let's go. Before I show you guys what I'm blending, I have come to do edako in the Igbo community because I am putting onions and bell pepper to blend my food, season my chicken. I have been doing it from time. I love it. I love the flavor and it works. So that's what I'm blending. But I'm blending it with my seasonings to cook my meat. So don't come for me, okay? Don't be like, oh my God, that's not how they cook Onugbu. Don't come for me. So guys, this is the final look of the soup and the poundo. I think I did good. Anambra mama do. Hi guys, so this is the start of a new week and I'm starting a new vlog. Today is Monday. I have classes. I have to go to school. So I'm dressed for school and I've carried my bags for work. So that's what I'm going to do. I will go to school and after my classes I will go to work. So today's quite a stressful day for me because I have to work till like 7, 8, but it's fine. It's fine. Let's go. I don't even think, because frankly I'm going late for that class. I'm just going just to be present. I don't really care. Yeah. So guys, I'm in school now. I'm in school now. And now I have to wait till 10 to the student office. So I just finished class and now I'm trying to rush to work. So guys, I've not relaxed my hair in a while and my hair is so due. So a good co-worker of mine, friend of mine, gave me a relaxer to relax my hair. So I'm going to relax my hair today. I cut this my hair. I'm going to relax it today because I'm not trying to go natural. I'm not trying to transition. My hair is already cutting, so I'm going to relax my hair now. And yeah, I'm so happy. This is how I love to relax my hair. I put keratin oil in it. You can see it still looks like natural. My coils are still kind of there. I'll relax it again in the next 3 months because I think 6 months is quite a long time. But now the hair is easier for me to work with. So now I've put keratin oil. I'm going to add the black castor oil. The sound you hear behind is my prayer movie. The black castor oil, and yeah, that'll be it, guys. Good night. So guys, I relaxed my hair today and I'm loving it. I'm loving it so freaking much. Now I'm not thinking to myself, should I put my hair in a ponytail, because ponytails look good on me. Yeah, let me rest, then I would eat, and then I would straighten out my hair, put my hair in a ponytail. I love my relaxed hair. I love it so much. Like, you can see healthy, healthy. So guys, I am just done from work, and today's a Friday. I put my hair in a pony because I'm going out with my friends. So I have friends. It's not like I don't have friends. I have some friends, and I'm going out with them today. So guys, oh Lord, typical Nigerian girl. I'm going out and I'm late. And my friends are not running on African time because basically they're not Africans. But this is what I'm wearing. I have my jacket and my bag in my hands. I'm wearing this gown. I wore it last year for my friend's birthday. But this is how I'm looking. I look so sweet. I tried. Oh Lord. My taxi is already here, guys. I'm so late. I can't wait. I'm taking pictures of my outfit. I didn't wear lashes because we're gonna get drunk and I do not like the discomfort of lashes when I'm drunk. Okay? Let me see. I can show you guys what I'm wearing before I go. So guys, I've kind of landed. I'm in the square. It looks so beautiful. Damn guys, let me show you guys my So guys, at this point, my friends and I decided that we're going to hang out in different places. This is like a game place. I don't have the name, so I can't put it there. And after that, we just went on the street, went for a walk, and we just had fun. And it was one of my best outings so far. The city that never sleeps. It's just water. Nah. So guys, on my way to church, I wanted to vlog, but I was rushing. I slept off till 11 and I was rushing. I missed first service. I'm rushing now to meet second service. And yeah, I think this will be the end of this vlog. So guys, make sure you like, you share, and you subscribe. Okay? Bye guys.